this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature on DocuSign. Quickly click your account on the upper right and click on Manage Profile. Here on the left side, click on Signatures, and here you'll find signatures. If you have signatures there, you'll be able to see them. And there's two ways how to do that. You can quickly click on Add a Signature from here, or click on Action. If there's an existing signature that is there, you can click on Action and you can edit and replace those signature. In this case, I'm going to just simply choose Add Signature. And here you can choose whatever you want. You can choose from these options that you have here that is gonna be shown based on your name, or you can go ahead and you can draw a signature if you want. So I'm gonna, for example, draw a signature right here, right? So let's say that's my signature, and I can go ahead and just draw, for example, initial as well, and click and create. You can also upload your signature if you have one as well. So here you can see that I have two signatures right here, and that's pretty much it. Now, once you have those signatures, you can always go back and edit them if you ever need to, by simply choosing or draw a new one, or click on upload images of your signature and so forth. It's very important when you're creating signature that you have two options. You will see that you have the option to write the signature and also for the initial. The same goes if you want to upload it as well. You can upload the signature and the initial as well. That's how you'll be able to create it. You have to upload both. You can't just do one. But that's it, guys.